All right, let's do a quick video here right quick. My 2021 F350. The door lock actuator went bad. This bad boy right here. It has been a royal pain to get out. It would intermittently not go up or down. It would work like one time, and if you give it like 5 minutes, 10 minutes rest, then it'd go again. But if you locked and unlock, it wouldn't unlock. It's wouldn't work continuously. So this bad boy here goes inside the door here, is bolted through this black piece of plastic and this window guide. See my hand hitting here, it's kind of a light tan plastic. Anyway, here's one door cable, that's the inside door lock cable. You got the other door lock cable up in there, you see it hanging out. What the tricky part is this thing is bolted to those two pieces through this screw and that screw. So some other videos had you take the window out. Maybe that'll work. I didn't do that, I'm stubborn. So I did it all inside this door. Moving them around. One bolt is back behind that piece of plastic that's right there, and the other bolts, let's see, you can see down here, yep, right back, whoa, right back there, right off the tip of my finger. That is a T25 to get those off. It's a T30 to get the door screws out of here. Of course, it's the normal 7 mil, I think. Let's see here what I got for tools. It's 10 mil to get these bolts out that hold the window track in and that window guide in. So this screw holds where those two go. 2 millimeter nut goes there, and let's see here, 8. So yeah, it's a 7 mil. It's around here somewhere. Oh, I don't know. Yep, it's on this one. Yep, 7 mil. This thing has been a bit of a pain. I'd take it to the dealer, have them do it. Pretty sure taking the window out would have been easier. I've spent last hour or so, at least an hour, unbolting all this stuff and then bolting it to get back together, not including all the work to get to that point. So basically because it won't come out all bolted together due to the window guide, or the power window bar here. That's what the window rolls up and down on. I will say, to get one little thing, to get this holder out that holds this outdoor exterior door lock, it goes way up inside of here, right there at the tip of my finger, which you have to lower the window a little bit to get this out. I have to put that back in. Don't change this on your own. It's a real pain in the ass. Unless you got extra time and you're really cheap like me. So anyhow, that's all I can tell you.